Vision Illawarra is a planning support tool which includes two components. One is about data, so what has happened in the region in terms of demographic change, economic change, land use change. Then there's another section of Vision Illawarra which is looking at the future. So the data is about what has happened before and what's happening now. And the subscription side of Vision Illawarra is about modeling for the future. And we've got a unique model in Australia, which is a regional, totally dynamic model made of four components: a land use model, a transport model, an economic model, and a demographic model. The beauty of it is the fact that it's not only a tool and a data set. The process through which we use Vision Illawarra for planning for the region is probably as important, and that's why we've got a steering committee made of the local councils, Wollongong, Shellharbour, Kayama, New South Wales Planning, our data providers, Sydney Water, Endeavour Energy, Remondis for solid waste, Transport for New South Wales, and Iris Research. So we share the data, it's transparent, it's evidence-based, and it's consensual because it's not one council against another or one stakeholder against another. And that's probably the way planning should be done in the future in Australia as a cost-effective process.
This is a deeply collaborative project, so it's our approach to engagement with the city councils. So there's 3 city councils, the utility companies, Transport for New South Wales, and then the university researchers. And so it's about trying to ensure that the outreach of our research and the impact of our research is created and engaged effectively with organisations that want to use the sort of data that we create here at SMART. So it's a terrific project, and one that allows us to showcase sort of cutting edge ideas and to hopefully transform the way that different institutions are able to use data.
We are one of the major infrastructure providers in the city, and we are certainly one of the major planners for the city, and this provides us with really outstanding information to be able to plan going forward. It also, as it develops and continues to develop, provides us with a whole range of tools to provide information to lobby, to design, to adapt and to reuse a whole range of the issues we're dealing with. So it's the uses of the model are almost limitless.
Sydney Water has customer at the heart, so obviously getting involved in such an initiative that's going to help the community is a no-brainer. I think the benefit is for the entire Illawarra community in terms of improving the livability for those that are working and living in the Illawarra region.
The beauty for the Illawarra region of having Vision Illawarra being developed by the Smart Infrastructure Facility at the University of Wollongong in collaboration with all our local and regional partners is the fact that this is a unique tool and a unique process in Australia. No other region in Australia has this kind of data set available to everyone and regional model available to everyone to use and to share the results among themselves. Data should be shared. Data should be public, because data is no longer power, data is knowledge. And that's really the spirit of Vision Illawarra, where we grab this data, we manage this data, we update this data, but we don't want to encapsulate it and sell it, which is the current model, unfortunately. We want to just simply share it.